Hey guys, I see that you guys are looking for a way to see your computer specs, so I'm not going to go through an entire intro like all these other YouTubers. I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. Now, the way I do it, there are two ways I can do it. I can either go to Task Manager. You'll probably start out in Processes here. You'll see all your processes. Then you can go over to Performance, and you can click on each one of these tabs right here. And for your CPU, it'll tell you what your CPU is and the base speed that it's at, and then it'll give you a bunch of information down here: the utilization, the current speed, processes, threads, handles, and how long it's been working. You can also have your memory right here. It'll show you everything that you need to see, and that's basically how you can view what each component of your computer does. Now, if you want a more in-depth version, I would recommend downloading some software called Specky. I'll leave a link down in the description. I've already downloaded it, but basically what you need to do is you need to download it, and then you just need to open it up. Now when you first open it up, it'll say analyzing. It's basically just reading your system information, and the cool thing about Specky is that it actually gives you temperatures. As you can see, my CPU is at 60 degrees Celsius right here. And it also shows my motherboard right here, along with my GPU, and then all three of my drives. Now that's just the summary right here. You can also go to operating system, and it'll tell you everything about your operating system. CPU, same thing with that. RAM, motherboard, storage, graphics, it's all here. Even your network. This is what I recommend using right here. It's just using Specky. It's way more detailed. But one thing I would not trust about this is that sometimes it can lie to you. So let's say I go to my CPU here and I go to virtualization right here. It says supported but disabled. Yes, my CPU can support virtualization, and in fact I do have it enabled, because here in my task manager it says my virtualization is enabled. Right? See the difference right there? Disabled, enabled. So sometimes they get it wrong, but I will tell you right now that if you look over at your task manager, this will always be correct. Do not trust third-party software. Trust the software that's already pre-installed with your Windows.